What's up, my crypto lovers? I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum. My name is Crypto Nug. Let's get into it. What's up, my crypto lovers? This is Crypto Nug from Just Crypto HQ, and let's jump straight into the charts. And basically, yesterday I showed you guys this descending channel that Bitcoin was traveling in, right? I drew it out for you guys. I told you guys what we're going to do is we're going to short the top. If we get a rejection and the price goes down, we can short it and then long the bottom if the price goes up. But if the price breaks out and basically finds support, right, that means it's going to choose a trend direction. And basically it broke out to the upside, and as you can see, the price went up. I didn't expect that much of a bounce, to be honest with you. I thought the price was slowly going to basically break out and then just consolidate upwards, you know. But I mean, this was just a moonshot. But that's why it's so important when it does these little retests, right? And it holds the support. That is good long entries. Extremely good long entries. Because it's that simple to trade, guys. We're forming a classical descending channel, right? The moment the price breaks out and it retests this level over here and it holds that support, you can even long from breaking this level. Once it breaks this level here, this is your long entry, right? And look at this, the price just ran up. So that's Bitcoin. And if you look over at the total crypto market cap, it's showing you the exact same thing. This is on the larger time frame though. I'm just going to try and go down to the smaller time frame. So as you guys can see, the total crypto market cap also forms this descending channel, right? Or just a descending channel. A little breakout, a retest over here, and the price just rallied. I'm going to leave this on the 4-hour time frame because I do want to tell you guys more or less what I think about what's happening in the charts. Basically, we had a nice bullish day yesterday, but I don't think Bitcoin is out of the woods yet. It's only once the total crypto market cap and Bitcoin is able to break this major resistance over here, right? This is the $2 trillion market cap, and on Bitcoin, that is the 45 to 46K, and that's only when alto and bullish. Right now, what I think is happening is that it's basically in a massive accumulation. So basically, the whales are just going to chop around the price. As you can see, it's just going to chop around in this little pattern over here. It might break and then come back up again. But they are chopping around until we find a direction. A direction is once we break this line over here, or we come down to test these levels over here again. That's going to be the direction. But in between, there's just going to be a lot of chopping happening. There will be trades to definitely take. But it doesn't mean that we now, because we saw this little rally, that Bitcoin is all of a sudden just bullish. We need to basically break these key levels, 45 to 46K. That is the key level for Bitcoin. On the total crypto market cap, you can see the same, right? I mentioned to you guys the reason why I'm staying a bit more bearish is because we are forming lower highs on the total crypto market cap. So there's a high, we're coming down, it's a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, a lower high, right? Once we break this formation, the downtrend, if we can set a higher high and then test this as support, we might even come down to test this as support, but then basically set a higher high after that. So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. That would signify an uptrend to me. To me, we are still in a strong downtrend. These price movements in between are basically just price movements, but they are not showing you the direction. The direction is basically downwards. Do you guys see that these highs keep on getting lower, right? And even now, we haven't broken this high structure over here. So we are still in a clear downtrend. So the total crypto market cap could potentially get rejected over here and send all the way down again. So we got to keep an eye to check if it breaks out, retest this, right? And can go over the $2 trillion market cap. This is the major zone we need to worry about. In between, we will be going through a lot of trades though. I am excited to see what's going to happen of the total crypto market cap. I must say there are some alts that look amazing. Guys, yesterday, I'm sorry I didn't show you guys this chart. Luna was forming a descending wedge, as you can see, and it broke out, it met the target. The target is always the top of the wedge, so you long the breakout, and the target is the top of the wedge. So I'm going to give you an example, right? So basically this is another falling wedge. As you guys can see, entry below the low point. So basically if you had to long, you basically put your entry here, your stop loss here, sorry, your entry there, stop loss there, and then look at the target, top of the wedge, right? Look at Luna, smash the target. Beautiful trade. As well as Link, a descending channel similar to Bitcoin, literally exactly like I explained, right? Descending channel, trading between these two zones, break out, the retest, which is important, doesn't break back into the channel, gets supported, and then starts moving in an upward direction. And now it kind of looks like basically this is how an uptrend starts, right? So you see it's a higher low, and now this high has smashed this high and this high. So that means that we're now forming a different pattern for Link. So it looks like it's forming an uptrend, right? So what's going to happen is it's going to form a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, and as well as a higher low, higher low, higher low structure every time. It will just retest these previous highs as support. So it'll probably do something like this. Test this as support, come up, test this as support. That's basically the structure we're looking for, and that is confirming a nice uptrend for us. So let's keep an eye on Link. If there's these altcoin trades, if you guys want me to show you these altcoin trades, I'll definitely do so. And this is basically an example of what I mean. So this is the descending channel. As you can see, it's exactly what Link done. It broke out. Here's the retest zone, and then the price rallied up. And this is alternatively, if the price breaks down, you short the breakdown basically. So if Link had to break down here, you short that immediately. But the price did turn bullish, got supported, and is now in a strong uptrend. Like I mentioned, we're having a look at Bitcoin. There is no trades right now. We're just going to have to watch the price for more candles. Another thing on Bitcoin that I forgot to mention to you guys, because I didn't have it on the chart, but I added it on the chart now for you guys. And why Bitcoin had such a massive bounce over here is because Bitcoin has been forming a massive bullish divergence on the 1 hour time frame. And what does that mean? That's basically when the price is coming down. You guys see the price is hitting lower lows over here in the channel. It's hitting lower lows every time in the channel, but the momentum is losing momentum. It's losing strength. There's not enough power to push the price down further. So for example, it's like there's not enough volume. So if we look at the price, right, here's the first low. This is the momentum. It's very low. Then the second low, but the momentum doesn't go lower. The momentum should be doing the same, right? There should be enough momentum to push the price lower. But the momentum keeps on getting higher and higher and higher, and the price is coming down, which means that there is a divergence in the price and the momentum. So we can expect a strong reversal at a certain point. So it came down to come test this, right? And it just literally just shot up. It got the strong reversal, and now we're seeing the bounce. So I'll be filling you guys in more on the RSI, because it's literally something I use every day to determine which way the price is moving. So guys, that's it for Bitcoin today. Right now, we just gotta wait for more candles. And like I mentioned, I'm gonna go on the higher time frame. Bitcoin is literally just chopping in between. This is an accumulation zone. So we can basically move our little green box up to here now. And we can say that this is now the new accumulation zone, because we do see that the price is consolidating in here. And this is what it looks like on the daily time frame. Let's just take away the little drawings that I did. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. So now, see, this is accumulation, right? Accumulation. This is distribution. And now we're moving our accumulation box up to here. So this is the new accumulation that it's doing here, right? But it could also break down. Accumulation can always turn into a distribution. As you guys can see, it can break down. So if the price does do this and then boop, break down, it will automatically turn into a distribution. But right now there is accumulation happening in the zones over here. So we got to keep an eye out for that. I'm just going to move this, and I'm going to leave this here, because price hasn't chosen a direction. We'll only know once the price chooses direction. Choosing the direction is breaking this, right? Coming out, retesting this and going up. We know, okay, strong uptrend. Breaking down, coming to these levels, we're probably going to see lower levels, right? So yeah, guys, that's basically what I have for you guys today. And if you, like I said, Give me a like, give me a follow, and please guys, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to get to our first 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, much love guys. Drop something in the comments if you guys like the video, if you guys want to check out any altcoins. Also guys, like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it as we are trying to grow to our first 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. This is not financial advice. It's only my opinion and it's for educational purposes only.